Hi you all, and welcome back to another video. So today I am finally doing something I have wanted to do for a really long time now, and that is make my own juice. So I now have the means. So I am making it for myself. Let me show you all the juicer I picked up. Okay, so this is not an actual picture of the juicer. Okay, so this is the juicer I picked up. It is a masticating juicer. It's cold press. So ideally, cold press or masticating juicers work at a slower speed, helps preserve your nutrients in your fruit and veggies. Yeah, it's just better. When your blade gets too hot or if it moves too fast, it can sometimes burn out the nutrients and you're basically drinking juice for nothing. So this is a great way to ensure that you are doing the right thing. And I picked this up from Amazon. I will leave a link below, but y'all beware. Amazon did not want me to have this juicer. We're just gonna leave it at that. So have this. I picked up some glass bottles. So with juicers, you're gonna want to store them in a glass bottle, of course, but they're good for about, some people say 48, some people say 72. Maybe putting it in the freezer will make it last a little bit longer, but I will for sure tell y'all how that turns out. Glass bottles that I picked up, Amazon also did not want me to have for real. So, I'm glad they finally made it here. Okay, so these are the glass bottles I picked up. Let's hope these are not broken. I was reading on the reviews, like some people were like, yeah, like a few of them were broken and blah, blah, blah. I do not have time for no broken glasses around here. Okay, so they come in a box like this. They're 9 in total. They are 11 ounce, so almost 12 ounces. And they come with 2 different tops. So you can use the white one, or they have one that you can actually use with these little paper straws. But yeah, the bottle will be about this big. And I feel like that's enough to be like having a juice. I don't know, I didn't want too much, so I think this is just perfect. So, So I'm gonna start washing these, and then we'll get started. Yeah. I'm so excited. So let's go. So I'm just realizing that I forgot to pick up some ginger. So I'm gonna head to the grocery store. It's right across the street. So I'm just gonna walk and pick up some ginger, and then we can get this show on the road. All right, so I am back. As you all can see, my ginger root is here, ready for the party, and my hair is up because y'all, it's hot outside. Like, summer is here. Okay, all right, we got you. All right, so we got one juice down. And I actually made a little drink of it. It was enough, but not enough for another one. So I am gonna do a taste test. I like it. Now, this is definitely a bit more, like, it's not tart or anything. This is, you know, nice and refreshing. I think a lot has to do with the watermelon, but this is really good. So you all, that is it for today's video. Overall, I have to say the orange, ginger, and carrot juice was probably my favorite. So I definitely recommend trying that out. I also made a watermelon, mint, lemon, and lime juice, and that 10 out of 10. Anyways, if you want to see more recipes, be sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.